my dear students. How are you all? Hope that you all are excited to attend today's class. So welcome back, children. We all need to be ready for the class. So let me say, are you all present there? I can see that you all are sitting there ready for the class. But yes, what has happened? Somebody is yawning, somebody is rubbing the eye. What happened? The concentration level has some problem. So, no problem. Here I am. I am going to give you a medicine so that you will be alert, right? So, come on. Just you have to do what? You have to replicate me. You have to just do the same the way I do. Come on. So, let's start. Are you all ready to take the medicine? You don't have to eat the pill. You have to just do what I do. Come on. 1, 2, giggloo giggloo. Do it to yourself. 1, 2, giggloo giggloo. 3, 4, touch the floor. 3, 4, come on, touch the floor. 5, 6, come on, come on, come on. 5, 6, lick your lips. 5, 6, lick your lips. 7, 8, stand straight. 7, 8, stand straight. 9, 10, come on. 9, 10, laugh again. Ha 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 ha. Come on. 9, 10, laugh again. Ha 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 ha. Now something different. 9, 10, give a clap again. Very good. Now see, no more drowsiness, no more laziness. We all are active. So come on, children. Hope that you all are active. And now I am going to begin today's dictation test. Do you remember? Yesterday I have given you the notice for the dictation. So hope that you have learned the dictation. So please open your notebook and write down today's date and classwork in your notebook in A notebook. Where? In A notebook. In the last work that you have done, the make sentence of the chapter Little Aristo's Big Adventure. After that, you will write down date, classwork, and you will put a heading. Okay. So here now I am going to show you how you are supposed to do it. See, like this. Write down date, classwork, and just put a heading dictation. Just be ready fast, beta. I will start telling the words. Make sure, beta, do not copy, do not cheat. पीछे से नहीं देखना है. Don't copy it. Honestly, you have to give your test, right? God is watching you. God is always watching all of us. So we have to be honest, right? So everybody is now ready for the dictation test? Great. So now I will tell you one by one 5 words. Okay, मैं 5 words बोलूँगी और आपको वो words लिखना है. Okay. So now the first word is number 1 के सामने आपको लिखना है. Okay. Write down the first word. The first word is middle. The first word is middle. 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 The first word is middle. 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 The first word is middle. The second word. The second word is sticks. Now, the second word, write it down, sticks. Second word is sticks. Sticks. Done? Sticks. Now write down the third word. The third word, arrow. Write down the third word, arrow. Arrow. Write down the third word, arrow. Arrow. Write down the third word, arrow, arrow. Now, the fourth word, okay? Write down the fourth word. Trumpet. Listen to me carefully. Trumpet. 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 And now fifth word is scared. Fifth one is scared. Fifth word is scared, right? So write down the fifth word, scared. Done? Okay. So I am repeating all the 5 words once again. So just tally it. The first word is middle. Middle. The second word is sticks. Sticks. The third word is arrow. Arrow. The fourth word is trumpet. Trumpet. And the fifth one is scared. Scared. Done, everyone? Now, children, it's time to give marks to you, right? So, how you have to give marks? See, I have given 5 words. So, every word carries 1 mark, right? So, अगर आप एक word सही करते हैं तो आपको 1 mark मिलता है. 2 सही करते हैं तो 2 marks. 3 words correct, 3 marks. 4 word correct, 4 marks. And all 5 words are correct. It means you get 5 on 5 marks, right? So now I am going to tell you the spellings of those words. So just tally it, and honestly you have to put a tick if you have written it correctly, and if it's not, अगर आपने correct नहीं लिखा है, then just put a cross. Okay? So here now let's see the correction work. Okay? So the first one is middle, middle. Just check that have you written the same spelling of the word middle? middle, middle. If it is correct, then just put a tick. Number 2, sticks, sticks. sticks, sticks. So if the spelling is correct, then just put a tick. Number 3, arrow, arrow. arrow. If it is correct, just put a tick. If it's not, then put a cross. Okay. Number 4 is trumpet. 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 Number 5 is scared. 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 Okay. So now just count जितने आपके ticks हुए हैं. How many ticks are there? So if there is 1 tick, you will write 1, give 1 mark to yourself. If there are 2 ticks, give 2 marks. If there are 3 ticks, give 3 marks. If it's 4, give 4 marks. And if all are correct, then give 5 marks. Very good. Well done. Okay. You can get it checked by your mama or papa also. And yes, after giving the marks, just take a snap of that copy of that dictation, and when the window is open, share it, post it in the window so that I can also see that how much you have scored. Okay. So everybody has done it. Now children, we are going to do creative writing. Yes. So everybody knows what is creative writing. Before summer vacation, we have done creative writing, right? So creative writing means to write, right, on our own. अपने से सोच के, अपने दिमाग से सोचकर creatively लिखना, लिखने को कहते हैं creative writing. So our today's topic for creative writing is tree. Yes, tree, right? Tree. And after writing a creative writing on tree, we are going to do some activity. I am going to give this as a homework, and you need glue, green paper and some colors to for this activity. That I'll tell you why. Children, पहले मुझे ये बताने दो आपको कि that why I have chosen this topic tree for you to write as a creative writing. Because children, tree is very helpful. पेड़ हमारे को बहुत मदद करता है. They give everything to us. And to know the importance of tree, children, I am going to tell you a story. Yes, I am going to tell you a story. With the story, you will be able to understand that how important the tree is in our life, right? And why tree, this particular topic is so important to write about, why I have chosen this topic, right? So without wasting time, let me just tell you a beautiful story. So children, the story is of a helping tree. Long ago, right, in a small village, there lived a tree, and this was a happy tree, and this tree had a friend, a small boy. The name of this boy was Rohit. What was the name of the boy? Rohit. So Rohit was, you can say, the friend of the tree. Tree always used to love Rohit, always used to cuddle Rohit. He used to love Rohit like anything, right? So what Rohit used to do, he used to spend whole day with this tree. He used to sit on the branches of the tree, he used to eat fruits, and tree also very happily used to give everything, all his love to Rohit, because tree was very fond of Rohit. Tree was a friend of Rohit, right? So in his childhood, Rohit spent lot of time, almost all half of the day around the tree. पेड़ के पास आकर बैठता था, उसके शेड के नीचे आराम करता था, ट्री के ब्रांच में चढ़ जाता था, जब भूख लगती थी तो फ्रूट्स खाता था, right? So he used to spend most of his time with the tree, right? But you know something, what happened? After some time, this boy Rohit, he stopped coming to the tree. वो आना ही बंद कर दिया. So the tree got very sad, very sad, because he was missing Rohit. He was missing Rohit. Oh, Rohit is not coming. What happened? Why he doesn't come now? क्यों मेरे साथ खेलने नहीं आता? So this way, because Rohit was not coming anymore to him, so the tree was very sad. And many years passed. 10 years, 10 to 15 years passed. And then one day what happened? The boy Rohit, he came back again to the tree. So when Rohit was back, looking at that, the tree got very happy, very happy, because he got his old friend back. He remembered and he said, "Oh Rohit, you are back, wow, okay, come on, come and play with me, come and sit on my branches and play with me." So Rohit, as because now he's grown up into a a boy, he said, "Hey, I am grown up now. I am not a small baby anymore, right? So why I would like to play with you all? Well, see, I need to earn money now. अब मुझे पैसे कमाने हैं because earning money is very important, you know, and then only I will be able to do something in my life. राइट मुझे कुछ करना है मुझे अपने फैमिली के लिए पैसे कमाने हैं सो सी आई डोंट वांट टू प्ले विद यू आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ व्हाट टू डू राइट so tree looking at Rohit that Rohit is so upset so tensed so he told Rohit that why you are worrying Rohit you can do one thing you take all my fruits right you take all my fruits and go and sell it in the market and you can earn money right and you can earn money so Rohit just thought wow it's a good idea yes I will collect all the fruits from this tree and I will sell them in the market and I will make lot of money. So what Rohit used to do? Every day he used to come, whatever fruits were there on the tree, he used to pluck all the fruits and used to go to the market, sell them and make money. So when he made lot of money, again Rohit never came back. Again Rohit did not come back. Right? So all of a sudden he stopped coming to the tree. But anyway the tree was happy at least Rohit उसके पास आता तो था fruit लेने के बहाने से आ तो रहा था. So the tree was happy कि no problem. Rohit is my friend. So even if he takes my fruit, so what? Right? So now what happened? Rohit all of a sudden he stopped coming. He was not coming anymore. So again this tree got very sad. Very sad and upset. Oh, Rohit doesn't comes now anymore. Why he doesn't come? I am so upset. I am missing my friend. So after many years passed, right? So this tree was very upset. What happened? See, you can see this tree was very upset. So now after many years, when Rohit grew up into a young man, one day he came back. वो वापस आया, right? So looking at Rohit that he has grown up into a young man, this tree got so happy. Oh Rohit, you are back. Wow, come play with me. So Rohit now, as because he is a man, he said, hey tree, what do you say? See, can't you see I am a grown up man. I don't want to play with you. See, I have a family, I have my children, my wife. I need to build a house for my family. I am worried. I am just thinking of something. Okay? So please don't disturb me. So tree said, no problem Rohit. I have an idea for you. So Rohit said, yes, can you tell me? How can you help me? So tree said, Rohit, don't worry. You cut my trunk, you cut my branches and use that wood to make a house for yourself and for your family, right? And I won't mind giving my trunk, giving my wood to you so that you will have a house. So what did Rohit do? Rohit thought, wow, it's a great idea. I will take wood from this tree and I will make the house, right? So he just brought an axe and he cut the trunk of the tree and all the branches, right? And he took the woods back to his house and then he constructed a beautiful house using the wood of the tree. So now children, this tree had nothing left with him. He lost the fruits, he lost all his branches, the leaves, his trunk, everything, almost all, just only the small portion, that is the root, was left. So again this tree was very sad because Rohit was not coming again back. Because जो भी था रोहित एटलीस्ट आता तो था मिलने, लेकिन अब तो रोहित उससे मिलने भी नहीं आ रहा. And this tree got again very upset and sad. So this way many years passed and this tree also grew very old and weak, right? This tree also grew very old and weak. So one day when the tree was very old and weak, he just saw someone coming, right? And somebody was holding the stick and coming slowly neck close to him. And guess who was it? It was Rohit, yes. But now Rohit was an old man. So Rohit was no more a young man because many years passed. So the tree said, "Oh Rohit, you are back. I am so happy to see you. So come, play with me." So now Rohit was old and he said, "Hey tree, can't you see I'm an old man now? I can't walk anymore. I can't play with you anymore, right? And please just don't talk to me anymore. I have walked so much. I am so tired. I can't even stand." So this tree said, "No problem, Rohit. See, I have now nothing to give you. Right? I don't have fruits to give you. I can't give you shade also that under me you can sit. But yes, at least as because you are tired, you come and sit on me. Right? And you can relax." So Rohit sat on the trunk of the leftover portion of the tree, and this is how you can understand, children, that throughout the life, the tree always and always helped Rohit in whichever way he can. Right? So can you tell me what we have learned from the story? The only moral that we learn from the story is that tree always give us everything, right? The fruits that they have, they don't eat themselves, they give it to us. The vegetables, they give it to us, right? They give the wood, they give oxygen to us, everything they giving to us, right? And in return what they want, they just want our love for them, right? So we need to save trees. We should not cut the trees. We should in fact plant more and more trees so that we can save the environment, right? As because trees give us oxygen, trees give us so many things. So the same way we should also have a giving attitude. And that's why, children, I have chosen this topic of tree. So let us write creative writing on tree. So please write down today's date and classwork in your B notebook. So in your B notebook, you will write down creative writing. Okay. So write down date and classwork and put a heading creative writing. Okay. Put a heading creative writing. Now children, here you will leave some space to make a tree. How you are supposed to make a tree? Children, you have to use green paper and brown paper or red paper to make the tree. Okay, you have to cut green paper into a tree form of a tree and the trunk and just paste it in your notebook. Okay, so you will just cut the paper and you will paste it. Like see here I have pasted, I have written a creative writing on butterfly, so I have pasted butterfly. So you will, when you are drawing creative, when you are writing a creative writing on tree, so you will just cut the picture of a tree and you will paste it here in your notebook. Okay, and what all you can write about trees? Like tree is very useful for us, right? It gives us fruits, vegetables and shade from the sun, right? It is a house of many birds and animals, right? There are birds, animals like squirrel, they make house on the tree. So it gives shelter to them, right? Trees give us oxygen to breathe. We should not cut trees. We should save them. We should protect them, and we should plant more and more trees. So you have to write creative writing on the topic tree. And see, here I have just given you one example, right? And I have written 6 lines. You have to just write how many lines? 5 lines. How many lines? Just 5 lines. Okay, not necessary that you have to write only what I have written here, right? You have to write on your own. This is just an example, right? So this you will be doing as a homework, okay? And I will show you few more examples that how creatively you can make the tree. Okay, see some more examples, like you can just tear the pages, green papers, and you can just paste it in your notebook like this, and you can make a tree like this, or even you can make a tree like this using green papers and brown papers, right? So this is how you are going to do your creative writing in creative way, and you have to share this pic of creative writing after you complete the work when the window is open. Okay, I am waiting for your response. At as this window opens, please share your work. I want to see that how creatively you have written about the tree and how beautifully you have made the tree. So hope children that you have enjoyed today's session. It was worth, and you must have understood that how importance the tree has in our life. We need to take care of the tree. We need to plant more and more trees. Okay, so that's it for today children. Just take care of yourself. Bye.